Look at this. This is cool.
If you want,
How about the big M&M?
Do I want to buy the condoms now?
It's 25 bucks.
Excuse me.
Everything's here, and this is the only thing. Yeah, it's the only thing. But I did some.
Sir, what do you have on this?
10 bucks.
10 bucks.
And this is 15. Just be careful with it.
Is it just all empty?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, nice.
I put ads in it.
Yeah,
but then people started looking through it, and I didn't want to damage it.
Do you have any other ones, or is that it?
Just that. Yeah, the rest of them are sold. And this guy, when I was in the cab.
All right.
This guy was. I went to the University of Akron. He was my wide receivers coach.
Oh, really?
Football. Yep.
That's cool. Jim.
You never saw the guy because he always delegated authority, you know.
Yeah.
And this was in 1978, 79.
That's awesome.
Yeah. And if you want to, there's there's these. Here, open this. I'll show you.
how much did it be?
$5.
Oh yeah,
that goes
yeah,
with it.
yeah, little.
And then there's some Ohio State stuff in here. There's some Ohio stuff in here.
Yeah.
Michael
Okay.
Jordan.
Hey, I just like the bobblehead, so.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. Thank you, sir. How you doing today, sir?
$1 a pack.
$1 a pack, huh? Yep. Do I want to buy the condoms now? Last time I was here, I bought a big collection of condoms. I did well.
I'll make you a deal because you're a halfway decent, respectful guy. Give me $75, you can take them all.
$75.
You can have them all for $75.
You can make money with them.
No, I made.
Bottom line on them on Amazon, I think the cheapest one what I saw on Amazon was $7.
Yeah, I can't sell on Amazon, so.
No, well I'm just saying, but
Yeah.
what I saw, I just get an idea.
Yeah. I sold, so I bought a big collection of. Well, I was here, I bought like 40 boxes. I ended up selling them on eBay, and I did okay on them. I bought 40 boxes of condoms at the flea market for $1 a box, and we made about 200 bucks off them. I thought about buying these, but when I looked on eBay, someone was selling 3 boxes with free shipping for 15 bucks. But margin was just too small, so I decided to pass. I'm gonna think about the condoms, man.
Okay, very good. Thanks a lot.
No, I appreciate the offer, though.
All right.
Hey, thank you for the deal on the cards.
All right.
How much are the pins?
Babe, how much you want for your pens?
At least $5 each.
Gotcha. What is that?
It's employees only.
What do you have on that?
I got 30 on that.
30 on that.
I'll do 100 for what's here.
You guys worked at Disney, or?
No, this is out of our personal collection. This is years of us going and
Just collecting.
Yeah.
collecting them.
And I have so much.
So this is just you guys buying at the park?
Yeah, that's just what we got at the park.
They're so expensive now. See what they're going
They
for?
are.
Like they just raised the price again. They're
They
like
are.
$20 a pin.
This is from years of when
Oh,
we
yeah.
started going and everything.
Look at these two.
All right, $10. Thank you, dear.
Thank you.
You have a great day.
You too. What's in there? See, video games.
Hello.
How you doing? Far Cry, Killzone. I was looking at your games there.
Yeah, go ahead.
Far Cry, Killzone. Sir, how much are the Pokemon cards?
Yeah, 20 a piece.
20 a piece. These Pokemon cards were released by Burger King in 1999. They came in these Pokeballs. They are 23 karat gold plated. There's a set of 6 of them. If you guys do come across them, pick them up. They can actually bring good money, especially the Charizard. He was asking $20 for this one. They usually go for about 20 to 30, so I decided to pass.
Xbox sign there.
How would I do?
That's for you, man.
Yeah, no.
It's all you, man.
Borrowed away or selling the one that.
I got rid of mine. I still have them.
He's got a good collection.
Oh my God, I have so many of them.
But it just.
You just have to find the different ways to get it.
Yeah.
How are you?
$1. Feels like it's wet. Ugh. Make sure you guys always check the inside of these.
All your neighbors have one.
Yeah. Would have been a good pickup for $1. That's a cool piece. I like that. What's that? Have a Pepsi day? That's cool.
thought I was gonna be early.
Look at this. This is cool.
That's cool.
Monsters World Tour. How much are the shirts? Hey, what's up, buddy?
Hey, $3. Good for you.
How much?
3.
3?
Yeah.
Yeah, why not? That's cool.
Excuse me. I told the other guy, I send Dave over here. I got a load here.
Oh, okay. What do you have in your plushies?
Take a pop, bro. I got you.
Oh yeah, that's Disney.
I got a ton of it. I got 2 Elmos with the boxes.
I text Dave to tell him to come by. So
Yeah,
for you.
I told the other friend, I forget his name.
Depot picker. Definitely gonna take this one here. And
$10 total?
yeah, it's fine, man.
I got you.
You always take care of me here.
Yeah,
You want your hangers? Take them, man.
yeah.
Oh, as always, thank you so much, man. Appreciate you. So he was the guy that stopped someone from going to my cart one time. What's up, man? Good, man.
What you got on that? Oh, brother, thank you. Brings back memories. I don't do magic.
Aim to please.
That's cool.
There they are, brother. How are you?
Good, man. How are you?
I'm good. Love your channel.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
You're fair.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Is these all the card stuff you guys have?
That whole stack.
How much are these?
$5 a piece.
$5 a piece? Yeah.
Sculpture you pretty cool shit.
Man, thank you, man.
Where's the cheap guy at?
The cheap guy. Well, good. I'm not the cheap guy. That's a plus. I know. There's a couple of the cheap guys. These all the same years.
Yeah.
2010s. You have nothing else sealed card wise?
No.
What do you have on the Kiss figures?
$10 a piece.
$10. These are cool figures.
There's a wrong one.
How about Spawn?
The whole stack is $40. I know,
Yeah.
'cause you know it's probably the most valuable ones in there.
Yeah, I like the wrestling stuff. I'm trying to find. I want to open up a box of these, man. I have a card channel, so I've been.
They only sell, from what I've been able to find them, they only sold them to like friends and family of higher ups at WCW.
No, I've seen them actually, the boxes and stuff like that out there
I
before.
have never seen a full box.
Yeah. How much is this?
$2.
$2. If I bought all those, what would you do deal-wise on the Magic ones? I don't know what your wiggle room on those is.
Oh, there's Rob. $40. There's 12 packs.
12 packs.
Yeah.
40 packs.
I've been throwing it to trains.
Yeah. So 12 packs. 40. How much are your DVDs?
A $1 a piece.
$1 a piece. 2 Undercover Angels.
Some of them are tiny.
Sounds like a porno waiting to happen. 2 Undercover Angels. Look at that. That looks like a 1970s smut movie. Grindhouse.
I'm gonna leave.
You're out?
I am dying.
Alright, buddy. See you, man. The Curse of the Crying Woman. These are weird. Even. Curse of Zodiac. I just have a huge horror movie collection.
$20 you can have the whole cover.
I don't want the whole total. And then these are weird, man. Love myself some good horror movies.
Right?
I've never even seen this. What does this say? A family video. Raiders of the Dam. With Halloween being right around the corner,
Oh, no.
these might be just good for me to maybe lot up or something. Mike, what'd you buy?
You got all this stuff.
What do you got? This everything you bought? Where'd you get that from, Leo?
So I got this and
All of those Fawn figures.
From who?
Accessories.
Is that Street Shark?
The guy you're talking
No.
about. And
Oh.
And then
Oh.
all of,
Oh, right over here?
yeah,
What'd you pay for all it?
$220.
That's not bad.
It's a bunch of old Toy Biz stuff.
Yeah. Who bought the bats?
me.
Dave.
$40.
That's
Yeah, a lot of Worth and DeMarini, but I think they're Little League. But still, what's up?
It's amazing how much shit we get you have.
Yeah. Is that all your DVDs just right there?
Yeah,
Okay, that's not yours there?
that's it.
Okay. So bizarre. Like, this is just bizarre stuff. What is this? Vincent Chris?
70 horror magazine.
Huh. Dark Shadows. What would you want for all those horror
Well, I
movies?
know you already got a number, so what's your number?
I don't know.
Everything?
I'm interested in this too, and this file here, and then those horror movies.
$60 for everything? And I'll tell that I'm not even charging for that one.
What do you have? These right here.
This stuff and the video games.
What do you do? 50?
For you, sure.
Ah, cool. I'll put these back. I appreciate it. $50, man. Thank you, man.
Appreciate it, man. Thanks for stopping by.
Yeah. No, thanks for giving me a deal, man.
That's right. You lost out, hon.
Yeah, just feel free to move shit around because it's a total chaos.
Yeah, it's okay. I like total chaos. We call it organized chaos, right?
Yeah.
Organized chaos.
Well, we try to
Emphasis on chaos.
I think it's more chaos than organized.
Yeah, well, everyone has a system. A little passport.
Sonic.
This one's from the 30s and this one's from the 40s. I don't know about that.
What is this? Speakers International Union. 1938.
35 on that one and 25 on that one, and I would throw this in if you bought them both.
This is where I messed up. I looked up comps on that Mason book, and I found a reprint that sold for about $35 what he was asking. Unfortunately, I decided to pass, and the original books were selling between $75 and $100, so I definitely missed out.
Piece by piece, I'd be at it forever, but to get the value out of it.
Wow.
You want to sell to a reseller, or you want to sell yourself? This is the question.
If you want to know what the price,
As much as I can for it, but I'm not making that career. I always said when I was when I was growing up, I just want to collect.
Bro, you How you doing? How you doing today, sir? What we got here?
Those are some old, sealed, kind of goofing on cartoon things. Pretty unusual.
Yeah, no. The playing ones. What are you asking for those?
Well, I took a guess. I thought they were worth at least 10 each, and there's 5 of them, but I'd do 30 for all of them.
Here's the crazy thing about cards. These packs are from 1988. He wanted $10 a pack at $35 for the lot of 5 of them. You can buy a box of 36 packs for about 15 to 20 bucks on eBay. The crazy thing about the flea markets is people either think their cards are worth a ton of money or you get some really good deals. So you just gotta be careful. Were you here when he was in? He was in blowout mode last time he was here. Last time I was here.
Yeah, you know what?
I didn't blow out my wallet,
I got on the same thing you guys did, man.
Nice, man. Good, man.
Stuff you can do good, man.
Dude,
listen, I'm gonna give you. I gotta give you credit here. There's two vendors in a row. Leo has his shoes wrapped in bags so his feet don't get wet, and you literally wrapped your figures in bags so the dude doesn't get. Thank you. Thank you for actually taking care of your stuff. Yeah. The old look that they keep bringing everything back, man.
I got 2 unpunched OGs right here.
Unpunched OGs?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, to the...
How about the big M&M?
So I did a video where I was literally walking up my dumpster. I live in a development that's like they're building new homes. So on Christmas Eve, I walked up to throw something in the dumpster, and there's a green one sitting in the dumpster. I just took it right out of the dumpster. Yeah, I've got a couple of those. I love the flea market. You never know what you're gonna find. I was so tempted to buy all those condoms because I did really well last year when I did buy those condoms. Unfortunately, these are the smaller packs, the 10 packs. The ones I bought last year, a lot of them were the 20 pack ones. That's why I did a lot better. So a lot of people on my Whatnot shows always ask me for magic cards. So when the guy had 12 starter decks in here, they don't go for much, but I think I get $8 to $10 a piece of those. When I did a bundle deal with those DVDs, that's where I'm really going to make out the money on. September and October are the best times to sell Halloween items or horror movie stuff. So there's about 2 or 3 DVDs in that lot, should get me around $30 to $40. The rest of them I'm going to lot up there, and I probably get about $40 or $50 just for a lot of DVDs. Guys, a rule of thumb for when it comes to horror movies, it's not the ones that you guys know, like Halloween, Jason, Freddy Krueger, those types of movies. It's the B horror movies that do really well. The movies you never heard of, the underground horror movies, they sell great. So when I have a big lot of these, we should probably do really well. So keep an eye out. If you guys do have any horror movie stuff, list it now. Now is the perfect time to sell it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. Until next time, make sure you guys keep picking and punching.